Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Frame Codes, Frame Keys. You guys already know who it is. I feel like doing this entire video in a British accent because I see all these tutorials in like people with British accents. Anyways, that's not why we're here today. You guys clicked on this video because you want to make a moving platform system, and that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys don't know what a moving platform system is, it's just basically a thing that moves back and forth. It carries players on it, and rather than personally, I don't know if you guys know, but rather than using like C-frame loops, I'm planning on doing more like tween service. So I'm gonna give you guys the exact code that you guys can type and put into your game. So let's get right into it. So first, what you want to do is you want to go into if you want to go into Roblox Studio, preferably the most updated version. Go into your game, the game that you're making, whatever. Just go into where you want to insert this moving platform. Okay, and as I said, before we add it, basically, let's say this is a platform. We want it to move from point A to point B, okay? That's not the platform, that's the spawn, but I think you guys get the point. And our platform is gonna loop forever, okay? And players will be able to stand on it safely, okay? So first things first, go to your workspace, insert a part, and you wanna call this one the moving platform. You guys can call it what you want, honestly, and make it look like a platform. Make it big enough for players to stand on. I might be overcompensating here, but that's okay. So let's say this is our moving platform. We want to make sure that can collide and anchored are set to true. Anchored, yeah, because guys, if we don't do this, it's gonna fall. Trust me, I tried it out. It's gonna fall and it's not gonna look good. Okay. So now this is the platform. Remember, I said point A to point B. Now we have to make an end. Kind of an end position, okay? So let's move this up a little. There we go. I think that should be fine. I don't want to make it too high that I can't stand on, but we'll make it like that because now we can jump, okay? So now we're gonna make a different one, and we're gonna also move this one up, and this is going to be our end point, right? This time you guys don't have to actually make it like something that they can stand on, okay? Because remember, this is our point B, okay? So let me just rename this. We're gonna call this one the end point. I personally set transparency to 1 because this is an end point. You don't really care for the players to see it physically. Anyways, what you want to do is go to anchored, as I mentioned, that one's true, but this time we're gonna set can collide as false, you guys, because we don't want them to actually hit this endpoint. It's just a marker, if that makes sense, okay? So we don't want it to be seen. Players are going to move to this point from here, but they're not gonna actually see it, okay? So go back to your moving platform now, guys, and insert a script. And in this script, we're gonna be coding, basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna just be coding the brains behind everything, okay? It's just the utmost simple moving platform script, in my opinion. I wanted to make it so you guys were, I wanted to make it easy for you guys. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys could tell, but I was a little bit worried that I did it wrong, but anyways, it turns out that I did everything right. I tested out my game because That's how I remembered doing it, and then I realized that my issue was I didn't put a comma here. So guys, make sure you guys pay attention to that. It's not even spelling, it's just like I forgot to put the comma that I had before. Anyways, so there you guys go. We'll test it out right now. We have a moving platform game. See, it goes from start point to end point. You guys do have to move your character. I do kind of apologize for that, but it's still a moving platform. My knowledge on coding is kind of like, it's not the greatest, guys, so I mean, yeah, but I mean, it's a moving platform. It could be, if you guys want to, you guys could put like a little creative spin on it. You guys could say like, oh, you have to like move with it. I was kind of hoping for an obby kind of look, but I mean, I don't know. But anyways, here is the moving platform. You guys can toggle how far you want it to go. But yeah, that's this is the moving platform. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah. Anyways, so make sure you guys yeah, just subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and yeah, I will catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate all of you guys for subscribing, and yeah, subscribe.